Hi folks, this is Brian and I'm back again with a new video for my channel, Wealthy Relief. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and then click the bell icon next to it. This will alert you of any new videos that I release to the channel. So in my last video, I talked about content and keyword research that can now all be done within Wealthy Affiliate. You necessarily don't have to go outside of the platform anymore to do research, but I still highly encourage that you do that just to keep up with the latest trends and things within whatever niche that you end up choosing. But most of that can now be done within Wealthy Affiliate. So today I'm going to be talking about a certain plugin that you want to activate for your website that will allow Google to fully recognize your website. And so that plugin is called the Google Site Kit. And that's actually taught here in this training within Wealthy Affiliate. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through or show you what the process is of activating that plugin. So I'm going to go log into my back office here. And as I'm waiting for that to load up, shouldn't take very long, I'm going to go to plugins. And as you can see, this is the only one that hasn't been activated yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click activate. And now it's activated, but I'm going to have to start the setup process for my website to be fully recognized in Google and also other tools that Google has for you to see stats and things in regards to your website. So I'm clicking Start Setup. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and connect Google Analytics because this is very important. This tells you a lot of important stats regarding your website, including traffic and where that's coming from and other things as well. And then I don't mind sharing with Google, share my data just to help them out. So I'm going to click sign in with Google. You got to have a Google account, which I actually already do. So it's going to be that one. And I'm going to continue. All right. So I'm going to select all of that because that's what I need to have selected. So I'm going to continue. See and download your Google Analytics, view your Google Tag Manager container, view and manage search, counsel for your data for your verified sites, and others. So I'm going to click continue. Alright, so it's got to verify site ownership, and it's going to do that by adding a verification token to my site's HTML code. So I will click that. Okay, and I'm going to turn on metrics in my dashboard, so I'm going to go ahead and click allow. Alright, and then I'm going to click setup. So you have number 4, and now I'm at number 4. So it says to understand how visitors find and use your site, have site kit add be crypto safe, which is the name of the website I'm using here for Google Analytics, to Google Analytics for you. So I'm going to click next. Alright. I'm going to click set up new account because that's what it is. So as you can see, be crypto safe, becryptosafe.com. That's my time zone. So I'm going to click create account. I'm going to go ahead and use that. Go ahead and click continue. Now I've got some other websites and stuff, so that's why it says see the 7 services kit has access to. I don't need to do that. I know what they are, so I'm going to click continue. Okay. And it's bringing it up here. Okay, I do want to accept. Okay. And I will say I'll accept that. Okay. All right. Success. See how easy that was? But of course, I already had a Google account, and you will need that in order to go ahead with the Google Site Kit. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. So to take a look at it, I'll give it just a moment here. Congrats on completing the setup for Google Analytics. Find out how your audience is growing. And as you can see, it is gathering data. Now my website is new, so I'm not really going to have anything right now. I mean, I hardly have any content on there, but I did have my first article published on there just not long ago. So we are beginning to get somewhere with it. But as you can see, it's just gathering data, gathering over the last 28 days. So it's just going to take time for that. So no big deal. Like I said, I don't expect anything. My site's brand new. I'm not going to have traffic immediately. But this is where you go to check out the traffic and your stats and things for your website. Usually in the past, you had to go separately within Google to do this, but now you can do this all within the dashboard of your WordPress editor website. You don't have to go outside of Wealthy Affiliate for that. You can if you still want to get a little bit more detailed explanation of your data, but you can generally see it here within it. So let me kind of just go and show you here that I have created my first post. What is Bitcoin and how to use it? So slowly but surely, we are getting content. I'm getting content on my website. As you can see, it's on my page, my home page. And I also have it within the page, specifically of Bitcoin, because that's the category it's going to go into. So we are making progress. I'm making progress on this, and there's going to be more things to come in this case study as more and more content is added. So this was just a little bit of a video here showing you how to install the Google Site Kit to your website. As you can see, not very hard at all. And now that I've done that, I can actually go ahead and click that task has been done. And then I've actually go ahead and click this because I've already created my first niche article. So we are moving along, folks. I'm getting my website really up and going. Going to start adding more content. I will show you my traffic results and eventually and soon, and I know you all are waiting for this part, is monetization of my website, when the money will start rolling in. It's not going to be immediate. I got to build traffic and I got to get other things in place before that will happen, but we are well on the road to getting to that point on my website. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy to understand on how to install the Google Site Kit. So stay tuned, more videos are coming. Thank you.